Hello guys, welcome to Apex Math. In this algebra question, we are given g of x is equals to 1 minus x cubed and f of g of x is equals to x cubed minus 1 divided by x cubed. We are to determine f of 1 over 2 if x is not equals to 0. We are given the following, and we have the x cubed minus 1 in the numerator, so we are going to make the x cubed minus 1 the subject of the formula with respect to the g of x by multiplying the equation on the left by negative 1, and we'll end up with negative g of x is equals to x cubed minus 1, and in the denominator we have x cubed. So we are going to make the x cubed the subject of the formula with respect to g of x, such that x cubed will be equals to 1 minus g of x. And from here, we are going to substitute into this equation, and f of g of x will be equals to, in the place of the x cubed minus 1 in the numerator, we are going to substitute the negative g of x since it's equals to the x cubed minus 1. So negative g of x will be divided by the x cubed, but in the place of the x cubed we substitute 1 minus g of x since it's equals to the x cubed. So we have 1 minus g of x, and from here, remember that we have to determine f of 1 over 2, and we will do this in relation to the f of g of x. So we are going to equate the half with the g of x, and let's substitute the half in the place of the g of x. So our f of half will be equals to minus, and in the place of the g of x we have the half, and this is divided by 1 minus g of x, but in the place of the g of x we have the half, and the f of 1 over 2 will be equals to 1 minus half in the denominator will be equals to half, and a negative half divided by half will be equals to negative 1. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe, like and share the channel if you find this content interesting.